Hey guys, what's going on? Steven here. So today we're going to check out another type of the GiM RGB case fans. This is the 5-pack, and these are the KB-24. If you guys seen the other video, these are a little bit different. I'll throw a little iCard up here so you guys can check that one out. But these are a little bit different. Like I said, 5-pack. These also come in a 3-pack. I also believe you can get singles. So we're going to unbox them, and I'm going to throw them inside a case. We'll check out the features and see how good they are. So let's go ahead and get them open. All right, so let's see what comes with it. Just a little booklet here. Let's see what kind of info we have. Don't really have any info on there. Inside it just tells you what you can hook up to it, and then the different modes on the remote. And let's see, on the side, let's see, do we have any info on the fans here? We do. So on the side here, you can see they're 120 millimeter fans. They're 25 millimeters thick. Rainbow RGB. We have 0 to 1300 RPM, 38.5 CFM, hydro bearing, SATA connector, and it is DC 12 volt. So here are the 5 fans. Just get everything out of here. Dump it out here. Okay. So of course we have our screws, 5 bags of screws. We have our wireless remote. We have our little control box here. So on this control box you can hook up to 10 fans and then some RGB strips on the side as well. And then here we also have a motherboard connector. So this would plug into the control box, and then you can plug this in to your motherboard and control it there. And the fans, pretty nice fans. They do have some weight to them. They also do have little designs. I don't know if I can get that on camera or not. I have my light showing, but I'll take a close-up picture of it and I'll pop it up as well. But you can kind of see the design there. So we have RGB ring here in the front, and then we have some in the side. So what I'm going to do really quick, I have a power supply. We'll go ahead and grab the power supply. I'll hook them up to here. We'll dim the lights and check them out. All right. Also, so the fans, they have 2 wires coming out of them, but they just go into one, a little proprietary connector that plugs into the control box here. So I got the last one here. All right, so that's all 5 fans. You go ahead and get the remote out here. I'll go ahead and remove the little plastic tab. Let me flip on this power supply. All right. Also, keep in mind I don't have the lights off. I'll turn off my recording lights and the lights in my room. Can see the little box here also lights up as well. So let me go ahead and get the lights off and we'll check them out. Okay, so I've got the lights off in the room. At least as dark as I can get it. So it looks like it just goes to white. So let's go ahead and we'll check out some of the different modes here. So I'm just going to hit on this remote. Let's see. We'll just hit mode plus and see what it does. So hopefully that is showing through. Hopefully the color's not too saturated. There's a bunch of different modes, and on the fans, so we have the front of the fan here, and then we do have the back of the fan is also lit up, so I'll go ahead and keep that one like that. So similar to the other GiM fans that I checked out before, there's like over 100 modes on this thing, which is pretty cool. And these are nice and bright. They're also nice and quiet, very quiet. The other ones I have installed in my daughter's PC, and they keep her PC very, very cool. But for RGB fans, for a 5-pack, these fans are extremely cheap. I'll have a link down below in the description where you can actually pick these up. Like I said, there's different ones. There's different model version ones. These are the like I said, the KB-24, I believe I said. And yeah, super nice fans. Pretty cool. You can do either the remote, or you can plug this into the motherboard, and this even allows you to do, like, you know, music. And as you can see, they're flashing as I'm talking. Do the second music one, and it changes as I'm talking. As soon as I stop, they stop changing colors. And the third one there, it kind of just goes through the different light colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get these installed in my daughter's Lian Li PC 011 Dynamic. And we'll check them out, see how they look. Alright guys, I apologize for the kind of shaky footage here. My daughter was super anxious to get her computer back, start messing with these fans. She really likes them, and so do I. These fans are absolutely amazing. They're super quiet. They keep her computer right around 30 degrees at idle, and great fans. Ton of different modes. It's nice. You can just grab the remote, click different modes. You can do DIY modes on them. They're absolutely amazing, especially for the price of these fans. You really cannot beat it. I'll have all links down below in the description. If you guys are not subscribed, please go down, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button, guys. It really helps me out. And one more thing before you leave, I have a giveaway coming up soon for the G-Skill Crystal Crown keycaps. So make sure you're subscribed for that. I'll be giving away a brand new set of those. And that'll do it for now, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.